Welcome back to Breakfast Television. It is minus 16 at only 7:50, and it's time now to focus on business. And for that, we turn to our business editor, Mike Epple. Good morning, Mike.
Hello, good morning. How are you?
I'm well, but I can't get over the fact that you tried to tell me that you're chilly this morning. What temperature are you working with?
Look, if the temperature is below 10 Celsius, I'm cold. All right? That's just a little bit of Apple insider information, so to speak.
We got to get you a little hat to keep your head warm.
What are you saying about my hairline?
I didn't go there. You're insinuating. All right, let's share some good news. Stocks at a record high this morning.
I do wear a chapeau, actually. Most times, just not on television. Maybe I should. Yeah, we've got markets off to the races this morning, Sarah. Good start. Lo and behold, Wall Street is closing in on 29,000 for the Dow Jones Industrial Average. NASDAQ's at a record. Even the TSX is up a little bit so far this morning. What's happened here? Well, things have cooled down, calmed down on the Middle East, and it started a rally yesterday, continues this morning. But it's more of the same than continuation of 2019 into 2020 for certain companies that are leading the charge. One is Apple. It's at $306 per share this morning. It's worth a grand total of $1.3 trillion as a company. You know, it wasn't that long ago everybody was going, oh my goodness, Apple's at $1 trillion, the first ever. And now it's another third higher than that. They had record-breaking App Store sales between Christmas and New Year's. All good. And then we've got Starbucks. Yeah. Yes, where you can spend $7 for all sorts of calories.
Oh, that's just a start. You can get up there if you start adding things onto your coffee.
But the profit margins are very strong on such things, so analysts are raising their recommendations on Starbucks. Listen, they had a really big holiday sales push, and of course, you know, that'll lead to better earnings. Stock's up this morning. And on it goes. So we'll take it. The one thing I do want to point out, though, is that oil is trending lower, and that is not necessarily good, obviously, for the Canadian energy sector. It is below $60 a barrel on the U.S. benchmark, the Western Canadian select price below $39. No supply disruption. Price for oil subsequently retreats.
Let's talk about a couple of American companies that are looking at some serious cutbacks right now.
Yes, retail. It's that time of year when the winners and losers appear from the holiday sales season. Bed Bath & Beyond has a new CEO, and he is not wasting any time. He's cutting the estimates on the company. They reported a loss. They're closing some stores. So that one's down. JCPenney, which has been questionable in the States for the past couple of years, but its future down as they had weaker sales for the holidays. Aritzia! Almost sounds like that old cartoon Hercules, which of course was before your time, but well back in my heyday watching kids' cartoons. Anyway, I digress. It's a women's clothing store chain out of Vancouver, and it did very well for the holidays, so that one's on the rise. So again, winners and losers after the holiday sales.
As it should. Have you ever shopped in Aritzia before?
No, I have not. I have not had any reason to do so.
Well, we'll go someday and max out your credit card. It won't take us very long.
Okay.
I'll see you tomorrow, okay?
Awesome, thanks.
You can also hear Mike on 660. Let's go ahead and take a look at the markets.
This portion of BT is brought to you by 660 News, Calgary's breaking news, weather, and traffic station.